Hi, Christina, the vlog.
Hi.
This
No,
is
me,
this
not
is when
speaking.
we are
No,
at
not speaking English. No.
our little
Café?
French,
Ah, no, no, no,
our little
no.
French lady.
No, no speaking, no, no speaking English. Parlez-vous
Okay.
français? Non. Je connais pas les. Non.
Oh my goodness.
You're so there.
This this is when Christina is not awake and we give her a situation of when she's in when she's in a problem, how would she react to it? 1 second.
Parlez-vous français?
And how would you march away?
Eh?
How would you go? Christina. Look at Christina. Her breakfast is right in front of her and she's just like in her phone. Nowadays generation, I tell you, nowadays
Yes,
generation.
mommy.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
What is this you're drinking?
This is beer. Green beer.
Me some avocado milkshake. Cheers. When she is shouting, this is what she does. Phone aside, and she goes into breakfast.
Breakfast mode.
Hello.
Come on, I'm waiting. We're all waiting for you to try it out and let us know how you like the poha.
Very good.
She munched on it.
Yeah.
It's good?
Yes.
Okay. Hey, love.
Bye.
We just finished
Yeah.
shooting.
Maybe one shot.
Out of 10 to 20.
It's
How
not
many?
bad. If you got one on 20, it's already not good. Have a-
So now I cook some mushroom curry for Eldon and Mispan. I'm gonna go to Mispan's place. This is with coconut milk, and I had cooked this once in Switzerland, and my friends were crazy about it. So yeah, Samara remembers about this mushroom curry, and she asked me, when will she get a chance? So probably when I meet her again, definitely I will cook for her again. Just waiting for the bus to come and gonna go to my husband's place with all these food items in my bag. Yes, that's how I plated everyone's dinner plate. Jeera rice, mushroom curry, some salad on the side, and we opened a can of sardine fish. It was so yummy. It reminded us of Goa. And I did not vlog because, in fact, I forgot about it because we were so busy with a lot of things going on. They had their recordings going on, and yeah, we watched a movie and I dozed off. And that's Misbin smiling with his plate. Isn't he cute?
Okay.
Maybe also a puppy face to get a kiss. And then you realize it, right?
Yeah.
And that's when I do when he forgets to give me a kiss before he
Then
leaves.
give her a kiss. And I don't.
Hmm. I Glidden as well. No, when I want to play Ludo and they don't want to play, so what I do is, mm, And then Glidden B is like, yeah, come online, come online. I miss you, Glidden. Seriously, I miss you. Nobody else. How was the food yesterday?
Lovely.
The dinner?
Lovely. I finished the food. There was nothing on the plate. And the taste was like nice. Very nice.
Miss Ben, did you enjoy yesterday's dinner?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Yeah, say something, no? Something about the mushroom.
I'm saying, I just said it. I just said if he's smart, then you know it. He's saying something.
Say something.
You just said it.
You just said like
You said
it was so you didn't like it that much. I'll take it as.
What's that?
You didn't like
Take whatever. It is what it is.
Baby.
We love you all. You're saying. It is what it is. I love you.
I think they all know my puppy face by now. They're like, when I'm like, they're like, okay.
Thank you.
For you.
She was frying paratha, but it got stuck to the frying pan. This happens when you are an amateur chef, beginner. You need to
Someone
ask.
just praised my mushroom.
Mushroom bhaji was a fluke, like the way you.
Really?
Yeah, the YouTube
When your
teacher.
demand comes again, no, for other things to be, no, that time I'll tell you, okay?
So now this happens if the pan is not hot, you need to wait
It
for
is
like.
not hot, no.
Yeah.
It was hot.
No,
The pan
it
was
wasn't hot. That's the reason. Or else you did not add oil.
You.
Yeah, that was the reason. Acha, public comment, yeah. Why was the reason this?
Tell him what paratha is this. Tell him I not.
No, you need to. That's the basics, bro. This is the basics. You need to know.
First of all, I did not need this paratha. I got this one. See, their packet is over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So it's a lacha paratha. So you need to add oil and make it a little hot. Wait for some time. But this bukkad, after coming from mass,
you call me bukkad.
hungry, desperate.
Okay, fine. Fry for yourself. I'm gonna fry for me.
No
And
problem.
I'm gonna start eating.
See, when you tell the truth, right? When you be, frank on their face, they can't take it.
I can't oil. Don't irritate me. I'll deep fry your paratha now. Wait.
It's not a samosa, yeah? See, she doesn't know that paratha can't be deep fried. She's another level. I love you, babe. She's crazy. Now she's going to add oil for the second
No,
paratha.
sorry,
It's like it's like
See,
babe. Now it's like what you know.
I'm telling you how to do it. I'm proving no, my point is
look.
right. See the oil. I don't add too much of oil.
Look at the condition of the pan. It's like it's like your son or your daughter. The first child, they try. It's an experiment. The first child is a trial, and the second one now she's going
So
to
are you
add. She's going
calling
to.
yourself and myself as a trial of our parents?
I don't know. I was nice. I would have waited. But this lady has no patience. And look at the frying pan. So for the second paratha or for a second child, she's going to add the oil. the first child is out of hand. Like somehow the I don't know, the chef, you know, was not admitting its fault, but now she's trying to hide away from me. Now she's adding oil
I am adding oil. I have
after
added oil at home as well.
taking suggestions from me.
Suggestions? Look at this bukhad from where he's eating, calling me bukhad. Huh? Now talk Mare.
I don't
Now
have to
talk
fry
Mare.
anything.
Now talk Mare. Huh? Now talk. Look.
I don't know why they
Look now.
pack so hard.
Now who does not have patience? What?
Even if somebody drops it, it's going to take him an hour to open and eat it. What? Why have to show it that angle?
You like it? Give me. Let me take it over from here. Give.
This time is okay. You won't eat it. I'll eat it.
Thank you.